Okay, so I'm done with this chucking. There's nothing more I can do with it like this, so I'm going to turn it around.
Not right now. Right now we're just going to deal with basic left-hand tools, boring hammer, and chamfer tools. Yep. Yeah, I got a program here.
All right, now, as we did earlier, I'm going to take my left-hand tool. Which is the blue guy. And I never remember, so I always got to point the thing at myself. No, that's the right shoulder, that's the left shoulder. All right, and besides, you can, if it's pointing generally in the direction that you're going to cut, it's the right tool. So all kinds of memory aids, and I need them all. I need every memory aid I can. Make sure there's no chips at the bottom of my holder. Find that left-hand tool again. Put it in here temporarily. Try not to drop everything. Alright, bring up my tailstock, lock it down so that it's accurate. Get the altitude adjusted here. On handle. I'm using the tip. Alright. Move it around. Adjust our tool holder to be perpendicular to the ground, or parallel to the ground. Alright, come into the touches. Now, I hear it clicking, but I see daylight. It's just hitting a chip. So I'm going to go a little more. Okay, that's really where it's touching. Set this to 0. Bring my tool off, go this way 20 thousandths, and make it count. Okay, spring cut. And see how it looks. Survey says, no, I still see saw marks, so I gotta cut some more.
Right.
So I'm going to come in another 20, and here I go. Okay, spring cut. And I can tell by the sound it went all the way around this time. So I think I'm good. Survey says yes. All right. Now I've got 2 clean ends.
Right, you're going to measure.
Now, I lost an opportunity here. I chucked it up, not against the back, we don't do that out of habit, but I have it so close I can't get calipers in there. So, I can't get the jaws on it. How else could I measure that thing? I'm going to have to improvise a little bit.
Oh, yeah, you can use it. Yeah, actually, why don't you take it all the way out of it?
All right. I could do that, but you're not going to get it exact. As Ken points out, the only way I can measure it at this point is to take it out. So,
alright, so it's incomplete, but you've got to take it out. On the bigger machine, you may be able to measure behind, but on the small machine, take it out. And I really like everybody to take it out and measure it with the 3D. Let me introduce Tim Kristen Wright. He's going to be one of the TAs tonight and help you guys out as we go through these.
Alright, I got just as much surface area as I can get on there. It's nice and spare. 3.166 I get. I'm not going to trust one measurement. 1.365 and 1.366. So we'll call it 1.366. I'm never going to remember that. So, and what's our overall dimension?
3 inches.
3 inches. So I'm going to put my chamfered edge back in. I want the sharp edge out because that's the one I want to keep cutting. There, let's chuck it back up again. Now, without removing it again, just in this next chucking, I want to get it all the way down to length. Now, and I'm not going to be able to get the jaws in there, so I'm going to just do it subtractively. I'm going to take off 166 thousandths and trust that when I'm done, when I pull it out, I'm going to get 3.0. That's right.
All right.